Hi, I'm Lisa and welcome to my page or my channel, whichever way you are viewing my content. Here I share with you all some of the beautiful photographs that I have taken whilst being on lovely afternoon walks with my daughter or whilst I've been on family breaks in the UK. I came about doing this during a time in my life where I was really struggling with my mental health, and just being outside with nature and wildlife really did help to clear my mind and put everything back into perspective. I really do promote to anyone that is struggling to just get outside, enjoy the beautiful sunshine, and just be with nature, because it really does help your mind and your anxiety. Thank you, and I really hope that you like what you see.